I think we got to start off with the last statement by Elon Musk saying that a Tesla with autonomous driving capabilities is potentially 5 times more valuable than a traditional car. Agree or disagree? Is that controversial?
Yeah, that's highly controversial. So if his dream is true, right, that you can push a button and it'll take you anywhere, then, he could be right. But let's look at reality, right? A lot of people that drive these vehicles with FSD report significant false braking, false apparitions that cause significant malfunctions. Now, those are really what cause the accidents in these vehicles. They're not able to work on all systems on all roads. And there's a lot more technology content that probably needs to mature. The technology experts I speak to say they need many more cameras. They need to include LiDAR. They need to include both black and white and color systems on the vehicles to bring an element of safety that would make these mass market viable. I love his vision, but I'm a skeptic. I think it's maybe a little aggressive, but he has a history of being aggressive.
Well, he also said that Tesla and EVs in general could be on pace for a chat GPT moment. Was that controversial, or do you think there's an inflection point that big when it comes to the EV market, autonomous driving, and Tesla?
So the EV market itself, I think, is really going to still be a function of battery prices, right? Battery prices need to keep coming down. We need to see better fast charging, better charging infrastructure out there, and this doesn't happen overnight. The million-mile battery is something he hasn't talked about for a while, but the technology is actually being, aggressively developed by several different companies. Okay. If something was to have a breakthrough, yeah, then we would have a massive break towards EV over ICE, no question.
Okay, we're talking a lot about technology. Let's talk about the stock and the company. Tesla share is pretty much flat since he bought Twitter. Yeah. And then also yesterday, he basically said, I want to say what I want to say, and I'm not worried about profits. What do you think investors think about that? What could that mean for the stock?
Oh, boy. So, Twitter, I think that the benefit of him hiring a CEO for Twitter is already in the stock. This was anticipated. There was chatter out there that he was talking to different former CEOs of Twitter about coming back. Where we are now, he really needs to execute. He needs margins to work, right? The margin momentum is going to stay negative. There's still 100 new EVs coming to market before the end of the year. And that's going to be tough to navigate around. That's why, these promotional events like what we had last night don't really have much of an impact in the stock. So what's going to be the big delta for the next couple of years is going to be whether or not his modular manufacturing approach actually works, where he thinks he can cut the cost of manufacturing in half. That's something I'm working to diligence. Okay. If I get my bearish position wrong, it'll be for that. I don't think that it's going to be easy to turn around the margin story, and the issues with FSD are tough to solve. They'll continue to be tough to solve for a long time.
Yes or no question here. Yeah. Cybertruck forecast. Do you believe it's doable?
No. I mean, no? Come on. Seriously, how many people are going to buy two-wheel drive trucks in America? Right? Like, do you know of anyone that drives a two-wheel drive truck? That's where they get the low-end price point. These are very expensive trucks. It's just, I love the concept. It's very Mad Max. But,
I think your original laugh told the whole story about what you think about that forecast.
Yeah.